Hope everybody's safe, everything's going well. I want to give you an update on the Vanagon. Anybody looking at van life, and if you go with a Westphalia, go really carefully. For those of you that know my channel, that is a Rad Rover. Zoom in. That's an actual Rad Rover right there. I just positioned it using Final Cut. So I kind of angled it in. It was kind of tricky, but it worked out quite well. And then there's my original channel name, Kobe Vision, which I had fun doing, and now I'm having fun doing van life with my wife. Well, fun. So the latest is, as you see, my latest video here was Third Time's a Charm. It was not. It did not go well. I don't want to badmouth anyone, so we're going to steer clear of that. Let's just pretend it never happened. So we're rolling that back. Now I'm looking at two other options. There were a couple. There's this website, Parts Place Inc. And when I reached out to this guy, he had talked about and this is something for others that are looking at these types of engines. Apparently with the flywheel, that can be quite problematic, where if the end play isn't set right, it will cause the gasket around the, I'm in over my head here, the gasket with the flywheel to get damaged or not sealed properly, and then it leaks from there. That was kind of the problem I was having with the prior two engines. So we're going to move forward from that. So Parts Place has an engine, and they sounded extremely knowledgeable, but I just don't want to risk it. This is on the East Coast. I need something on the West Coast. West, sound familiar? So I went with Go Westy. Now Go Westy, they offer a plethora of choices here, which is actually really cool. But for my vehicle, I have the 1984, and the engine choice, I can't choose the 2700. I really just have two that I can choose from. So we're looking at either the 2200cc or the 2300cc. Those are really my only two choices. And with the 2300cc, you look at the additional details. The reason why I didn't go here, it is more expensive, $1,000. You get more as well, right? It's obviously nicer, but I think it was talking about the octane. You have to run 89 or higher, and I just didn't want this to be something that required high-end fuel. So I passed on that, right? So in this case, I went with the 2200cc, which is, I guess, their base model, but even their base model is really incredible. So we go with the manual, which is what mine is, and choose the year 83 to 85. So mine is an 84, and here we go. You can look on the Go Westy site yourself, but there are a ton of nice features here. They really obviously appear to be all in. So this part is really nice. This is what I ordered. I have this, there's the final price. There's a $1,500 core charge. There's a crate delivery fee, and they calculate that out with you. They did notify me right away and advise me on the price, and that's been all cleared through. So let's hope this is a winner. Just wanted to give you this update. Again, hope everybody's staying safe, and we will talk to you later. Thank you.